Hey everybody. Wait. Hey. Wait. Hey everybody. Chill out. Hey everybody, Chogun Santa here.
Minimice las arrugas instantáneamente, aclare las manchas en poco tiempo gratis. Llame ya.
Al 1-800-444-1466.
Sí. ¿Tienes tu seguro de auto? Ey, ¿y no tienes seguro de incendio?
Today we will do a server tour. And today we will do a server tour. ¡Abuela, ya me la acabé! Be right back. Okay, back. Okay, so first we're gonna battle zombie pigmen in this video. Right now we're gonna. Oh, never mind. Let's make a myth tour. Okay, then let's make a myth tour. Yes.
Todo el año al mejor precio. Ahora puedes ver todos los partidos de fútbol que tú quieras. Todos los de México, de Centro, Sudamérica. ¿Qué más quieres? Puro fútbol las 24 horas del día. Y aparte te conviene porque te trae HD gratis.
And also, by the way, Santa does not have Skype yet. He will in about 2 years, which is a long time. Over there is Notch's head.
Recibe la posibilidad de ver televisión en vivo desde donde quieras. ¿Por qué pagar más? Desde Latinoamérica.
And someone else's head. Let's tour balcony now. Let's tour balcony now. So this is our balcony. We have a bunch of stuff, and we can show. If you want, you can join the world. You can join the server. The IP is play.mythrealm.net. I think, or it's play.mythrealm.com. It's one of those two. So this is my room. This is my porch. This is my porch. Mailbox. This is my porch and mailbox. I got a cold though while recording this. Oh, by the way, I'm renamed Sailor Chap on this server. Name me Red Halo Warfare. Name me Red Halo Warfare on Santa on this server. Red's nickname is Red. As you can see, I just said it. Do you do that? How do you do that? And then I look at it. It's a secret. Camera. Somewhere else. So my viewers can't. Oh, never mind. Only moderators can do that. Yo, who's flying up there? Oh, Smokey. Smokes, I think. So let's go check out the rest of the world. Wait, catch up. I'm catch. So this is our music stand. Here's something he's saying. Wait. Where's the thing? Wait. Where's the disc? Look. But this is our animal farm, he's saying. Okay, it's hard to type. Okay, Santa teleported you to Santa. Okay, this is the animal farm. Wait, it's hard. It's hard to type. Pigs, cows, chickens, and upstairs sheep. Okay, so here are the sheeps. Don't ever kill them. Use shears. No, they can go down. So oh! Okay, I'm trying to pull the sheep in there. So there we go. So this is our sheep farm. And we have a bunch of grass here that grows all the time. We shear them whenever we want. He's wearing armor, I'm not. This is where we get our wool from. Slash. Oh, yes. Yeah. Wait, our window. Let's fact and check. inside. We want to see what's. Oh no, this is a hotel. There's red right there. Those are all the players there. If you want to see the rest of this place, this the rest of this place, join the server. The IP is play.mythrealm. What's it called? .net or .com. I think it's. So these are the rules here. No using creative to get stuff or build houses. No words edit at all, or you will get banned. Don't give up or creative to anyone. Rules for operators. Don't give anyone stuff. Don't give players nicknames. No killing, kick, or ban without a good reason. Respect other players. No racist talk. Rules for everyone. No asking for up. Talk English in chat. Respect admins, mods, ops, and owners. If not, kick or ban. No spamming in chat. No caps in chat. Don't advertise other servers or kick. Here's the staff over here. And we have owner Bro Invader, owner Scenesta10, owner Eddie Oompa Loompa, co-owner Smokesa, and Santa Zombies. Moderator Santa Elf Claus, moderator. A tricolor boar. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. There's an ender chest there. Whoa. Off to faction. Okay, off to faction home.
¿Te pusiste esos espejuelos de mentira, no? Sí. Para verte bien nomás. Bueno, sí. Ya, pero te ves raro. No me critiquen. Ok, ¿qué te pareció el baile? Bueno, ellos lo hicieron muy bien.
Diamonds to everyone.
Y pueden hacer los movimientos muy bien y tienen mucho.
Or end. Wait. Right.
Mañana el Día de la Madre, tu mamá está aquí, le voy a decir que se ponga de pie para que tú le mandes un saludito a tu mamá. Te amo, mami. Muy bien, excelente. Vamos a ver entonces porque ellos no se pueden poner de pie, no se pueden quedar atrás. Así que vamos a pedirle a tu mamá que se ponga de pie. ¿Qué te gustaría decirle a
Diamonds to everyone.
tu mamá, Gino? Gracias a todos y te quiero.
So that's for myth playing and server tour. Myth. And yeah, that's the myth server tour and myth gameplay episode 1. See. Diamonds to every diamonds to every.
Orgulloso reconoce a las mujeres con la falda bien puesta. Inspiramos a las latinas a alcanzar su potencial a través del poder que tienen para transformar a la comunidad. Orgullosa es una comunidad que reconoce a las mujeres latinas, un lugar donde ellas pueden compartir historias
Boop.